Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Team 1 will presentation about Spiroxys and Philometra. Before I begin the presentation, let's introduce my team. Number 1, Nur Padilla. Number 2, Regita Dwi Aprilia. Number 3, Devia Ruswidia. Number 4, Peri Tegar Setiawan. Number 5, Anissa Dwi Damayanti. Number 6, Nadia Ismi Alvara. And number 7, Doni Setiawan. Spiroxys SP. Morphology of Spiroxys SP. Purwaningsih and Mumpuni 2015. Spiroxys SP include in nematodes, namely parasite worm that have a long, non-segment body with a point tip or a pointile. Spiroxys SP has no teeth in the middle lobe. Spiroxys SP commonly found in freshwater. Many are found in Australia and European countries. This is a picture Spiroxys SP from Stoyanov et al. 2018. Life cycle of Spiroxys SP, Mascarenhas et al. 2013. A. The nematode eggs or larva. B. Enter an invertebrate intermediate host like crustacean and copepods. C. A fish intermediate host. D. Prior to being eaten by or entering the final host, a fish eating mammal, bird, fish, larva, or of aquatic insects, snail, amphibians, and reptile as paratechnic hosts. This is a picture about a life cycle of Spiroxys sp. Infection and predilection of Spiroxys sp. Predilection of Spiroxys sp. Reliable identification of Spiroxys to the species level is possible using adult nematodes retrieved to the definitive host. Intensity numerous larva worm or not count in its host. Site of infection encapsulated in mesenteries, where from exits in the stomach, small intestine, and other visceral organ of fish. Alimentary tract, mesenteries, fissure. The species that compress Spiroxys are found commonly parasiting the stomachs of colonial and amphibians. MC Alistair et al. 2016. Remarks. Because these were larval specimens, were unable to assign them to species. Adult forms are found in the intestinal tract of amphibians and the stomach of turtle and cyclops. Philometra sp. Classification of Philometra sp. According to Ali and Afsar 2018, the classification of the genus Philometra is as follows. Kingdom Animalia, Phylum Nematoda, Class Secernentea, Ordo Chromadorea, Family Philometridae, Genus Philometra, Species Philometra sp. This is a picture Philometra sp from Ali and Afsar 2018. Morphology of Philometra sp. Philometra is a parasite species that infects fish gonad. Philometra has a size ranging between 113 to 196 mm. The female Philometra species has dark brown color. Male Philometra contain philometrid that are smaller than females. There are 8 sepal papilla in the sepal part, containing 2 lateral and 4 submedians, and there is a pair of amphiid. The structure of the sepal and caudal end of the esophagus. The ovarias are short. The leg of the larva in the uterus. Life cycle of Philometra sp. Marino et al. 2016. 1. Copepods become infects after ingesting free living. 2. Larva released into the water from the fish-dwelling larvigerous adult. 3. Philometrid larva mouth twist in the intermediate host hemocule to attain to the third stage. 4. Which is then infection to the fish host. Predilection and infection Philometra sp. Predilection. Some philometrid are known to cause damage to various organs of their host, such as the skin and ovaries, particularly when the worms are present in larger numbers. Infection. Philometrid might cause infection in both sexes of a fish species. Some of these nematodes use fish paratenic hosts as the main source in infection, with heavy infection, which induces various degrees of inflammation, hemorrhaging, oedemas, and granuloma, suggests a negative impact of the infection on the lost based on locales that makes ovarian lamella when in contact with the worms. Marino et al. 2019. 2016. That's all our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.